Marias! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it is Christmas morning, and yes, we just woke up. I just woke up and Georgina just woke up, and it's Christmas Day!
Wow!
Is it Christmas Day?
Yeah!
And what is Christmas? It's Papa Jesus'
birthday!
And we are going to share with you our first impression. Ayan, may natira pa nga tayong pambalot ng Christmas. This is my present.
This is my present.
Yes, this is Army Bomb. This is the original one from Weavers.
This is our
Army Bomb. Georgina's Army Bomb is much affordable, and we will see the comparison if there's really a difference with the original one and the premium quality one or the cheap one. So are you excited?
yes.
Who gave you your gift? Nanay. And I bought this for myself. So if you're excited to know what is inside our present,
Inside the present.
then please keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
So init.
So in it,
So are you excited? Let's open
our surprise.
our surprise. Are you surprised? Are you excited for your gift?
Okay.
Okay, let's open. Careful. Careful, Nanay, when using scissors. Oh, yan na. Yan.
Wait, what is here?
What box? Careful. Show it then. Wow. This is Georgina's, and this is mine. So, Nanay will open hers na. I got mine from K-pop merch in Shopee.
Yeah.
Where did you get yours? Shopee also, di ba? This is not nice.
This is not nice.
That is George.
This is not nice.
This is light stick.
What's it?
This is the one I have.
Wait.
Same with Georgina.
Send me Georgina.
And
And
ooh,
look.
I almost dropped it. And this is mine, and this is Georgina. Show yours. Yan. They actually look alike, right? But yeah, they're the same. Are you excited? Let's open. Mine is sealed. Georgina is not sealed. Show them walang sealed ikaw. Walang sealed. Okay, so let's open.
Let's open. Let's open.
I have this. Nice, no?
Can I check?
And so I just remove the seal.
I have this.
You have that. Binaba ko lang yung angulo para makita nyo kasi mas maliit si Georgina sa akin while we're opening our box. Ay, ang bilis niya magbukas. Excited ka? Wow!
Wow!
So, show them how it looks like. So, tinanggal niya na yung strap niya. Ito yung itsura ng kanya. Kita mo yung bag and yung stick sa loob. Mine is, this is the first thing you'll see.
Nanay!
Yung top ng Army Bomb.
Ayaw.
I will remove. I will open this one later. George will open hers later. Compared muna natin yung laman. So this is her Army Bomb. Later, anak, later. And so you have strap. Show them the strap. I also, yung strap? Ay, ayun. Ayan nun. Ay, nilabas ko na, sorry. Yan yung itsura niya pagkaalis nyo ng Army Bomb. Ayan, meron siyang plastic dito. Nandito yung paper bag, eco bag. And yung photo card, ayan, meron siyang stand sa loob. Do you have, wow! Who's your photo card?
It's Jean.
It's Jane. How about Nanay?
AM.
RM. Mine is RM. Georgina has Jean. Jean and Namjoon. Okay, after the photo card, put yours over there, anak. There. And then you have a bag. Mine is enclosed here. It's folded properly.
My name is.
Where is yours? Yan. Oh, she also have her bag. I also have. Ayun yung strap ko. Ito yung strap ko. This is my bag. Compare na lang the bag. Show na your bag. It looks the same. It looks exactly the same. Same, no? Same lang?
Yes.
Alright guys, so after the very first impression of the unboxing, I noticed a big difference when it comes to the bag. This one is the visualization of the difference. You see that the original one has a thicker and more of a braided strand or strap compared to the fake one.
How How about your strap? Where's your strap? Over there. I think it's there, anak. Where's your strap? Ito. Mine is this one. Where is yours? Is it the same?
This is the same.
It's the same. And then, I have this BTS official Lightstick SE Map of the Soul parang manual. Do you have? Ayun, this one. Do you also have that? Show nanay.
I have
We
this.
also have both. Yan. At the back. Show the back. Ah, yung likod niya different na. Mine has Thai. I have Thai language here. And she has English. Is that English? Yeah, English. Fun light, nakasulat doon. I don't know. We'll compare it later kasi ang init-init. I will give you much detail later. Are we excited for... Ay, meron din naman siyang ano, oh. Pa-QR code yung kay Jin. Yung kanya yung kay Jin, ha? And then yung sa akin, where's my photo card? Ayan, baliktad eh. So, siguro yan din yun. Hindi pa namin na-open. Show mo, Jin. RM.
And then,
So here guys, I want to show you how the QR code looks like. Yung original, of course, mas darker yung kanyang print. Yung nasa left side ng screen nyo, nasa right naman is yung sa cheaper version. And I also want to share how the photo card looks like. So dito yung mga isa-share ni Georgina is what's included on the cheaper version. On my side naman is what is on the original one. So basically, the quality is definitely different, but if you're just gonna look at it on a
RM.
2D
Where's
perspective, same na same lang naman yung itsura nila. Talagang yung feel lang
Who's
yung
that?
pinagkaiba.
Who's this? Who's this?
J-Hope.
Tell them, who is this? Show them, go down, I cannot take. Who is this?
J-Hope.
J-Hope. Sit down, sit down. Who's this?
J-Hope.
J-Hope. How about this one? Who is this? Who's
Soda.
Sugar? How about this one?
It's RM.
It's RM.
I didn't see there's no RM.
This is yours.
This is yours.
Okay. Oh, show it to them. Show it to them. Who is this?
Tonto.
Jungkook.
What's Tonto doing? Oh,
Uh,
here it is.
Who's that? Who's that? Show it to them.
What is it doing?
Who's this?
It's me. These are
It's
my
V.
friends.
They are your friends. How about this one?
They're friends doing.
Who is this one?
Oh, it's Jimin.
Who is Jimin?
Nana's boyfriend.
Yes, Jimin is Nana's boyfriend. How about this
And
one?
Jin is boyfriend is George.
Jin is George's boyfriend. How about Jungkook? How about Jungkook? Where's Jungkook? This one. Jungkook is
He's speaking too.
Georgina's boyfriend too. So you have two boyfriends, Jin and Jungkook.
They're loving.
They're loving. How about this one? Who's this?
It's RM. Me.
RM. You also? Your boyfriend also RM?
Yes.
How about this one? Who's this?
It's J-Hope.
It's
I
J-Hope.
love it,
You
the
love
George.
J-Hope also? How about this?
It's Soda.
Sugar. You love Sugar also?
Mm.
You love everyone. You're so happy. This is my photo cards. They're exact same copy. You'll never know the difference. It only feels
Show to
premium.
mommy.
Jung Hoseok, Min Yoongi, Park Jimin, my love. V Taeyong, Kim Taeyong, Jang Jungkook, Jin Hoseok, Kim,
Tim.
what is Jin's name? Kim Suk Jin. And Rap Monster, Kim Namjoon. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Mm,
Are you happy?
yes.
Yes. Show them your photos. Who's
The-
this?
It's J-Hope.
It's J-Hope. How about this one?
It's Jonto.
It's Jungkook. How about this one?
It's me.
It's V. How about that one?
It's Jin.
It's Jin. It's Jin talaga. How about this one?
It's Jimin.
Who is Jimin?
I'm Nana's boyfriend. I love it.
I love it. How about this one? Who's this?
It's Soda. I love
It's
it too.
Suga. You love him too. How about that one?
It's Anna. I am. I
RM.
love too.
You love too. Okay, let's open our light stick. Hold for. Oh, slowly, slowly. Hold this. Are you ready? Don't open yet. Don't open. We're doing it at the same time. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2.
3.
Wow! Oh my God!
Nana, I
mine. Look at yours. Wow, it looks exactly the same.
Exactly.
But can I hold yours?
Okay.
Dito parang may kalug-kalug. Dito wala. You will see the difference on the light stick. Yung kanya mas malabo yung light bulb niya kumpara sa akin. Ito, yung ano niya, kasi ano, pag sa malayo, mas transparent to kaysa dito. Wow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyong, Jung Jungkook, BTS! One more, faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyong, Jung Jungkook, BTS! Oh my God. Turn on. Oh, it's not turning on. Walang battery. Turn this on. Walang battery. This has a little loose feeling to it na pag siya nag-shake mo ganyan. But it really looks the same. No one will know. Let's open. How to open this?
How did I open this?
Ayun. Slowly, anak, slowly. There's a battery. Oh, walang battery. That's why we'll put battery. Slowly. We'll get battery from Papa. Slowly, anak. Slowly. Mommy, where is Mommy? Mommy's working downstairs. Ay, slowly. Wait lang po.
So, what you do?
We have to get battery from Papa. We'll come back. We will ask Papa for battery. Let's go. Put your army bomb here. And we'll come back. See ya. Bye.
By the body.
Saved by the what? We have our batteries.
You see that?
Are you ready?
Batteries.
Sit up, nanay. Hold on properly. We will put a AAA. No, not in here, in here.
Here?
So it needs 3. Mine has the stickers. She also have sticker. Ayan, Pinagkaiba. Meron din siyang pa-sticker dyan, oh. Mine has 2 stickers. I'll help you. Slowly lang. Okay, so we already put batteries in our light stick. Show your light stick. This is mine. It's more cloudy. Anak, wait lang. Same time with nanay. Yan. By the way, Georgina is my niece. Nasanay lang ako talagang tumawag ng anak. Kahit nga, pinsan ko, pamangkin ko, niece, anak talaga tawag ko.
Wow!
You did not wait for nanay.
Okay.
Mine is not working. Why is mine not working? Are you excited for concert? Are we watching concert?
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Nanay.
Why? Because mine is not working. Oh, don't put it together. That's not working. We will charge that. I hope this time it's working na. Yeah! Blink, 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 blink. Let's turn off the lights. Other lights. Hold on. Ayan. Yan. Let me off this light also.
Nanay.
Ayan. So, konti lang ilaw namin. Ayan. Blink, blink, blink. One more. I actually have no experience. I have not done some research on what to do with the... So, this is just a down. And then up. This one. Press this up. This one. Like this. Wow. Ready? One.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyong, Jung Jungkook, BTS! Ganda, no? Show your BTS. So, I'm not sure if you're gonna see difference at all. There's the BTS logo also. Ayan.
Yes.
No visible difference. Unless you are comparing it side by side, you're not really gonna tell. You cannot really tell. That's what I meant. The difference. Although, shaky-shaky ito ng konti.
Shake
Ito,
the body.
stable.
Tap,
Wala kang
tap,
maririnig na tunog.
tap, tap.
Ito. May pag-shake-shake. But you'll really not gonna notice it. There's no difference at all. This is the Map of the Soul 7 series, which is the version 4. Press.
Press.
This one, press this one. It's the same. One more. Faster. Faster. It's the same. One more. One more. Pulse. Steady.
Steady.
Pulsing.
Go.
One more. It's the same. One more.
More.
Very fast. And one more.
Even.
Steady. And then put down. Slide down. Purple. If you are going to give it to to someone that is not really doesn't know how to value the price itself yet, like Georgina is too young. So for someone like her who might end up breaking it, I think this one for 900 pesos is really good compared to my 3,500 pesos light stick. For someone like me, if you're a legit army adult, this one is definitely legit. This one looks and feels the same, only like with a little shaking, but no one will notice if it's Georgina was using it, right?
Alright guys, so let me correct myself. There is definitely a big difference when it comes to the cheap one and the original one, because the Bluetooth is not working on the cheap one. So if you are just gonna bring it on a concert, then yes, no one will notice it because you're holding it and they're not. However, if there's a need for further instructions, just like what happened in Jean's birthday, that we need to select a specific lighting, then that can only be controlled through the Bluetooth application, which is here. I am downloading from the QR code and then I'm just doing the setup. And of course, makikita nyo merong concert mode, merong individual mode, or yung mismong light stick lang. And then you can definitely choose from the wide range of colors that you want to display on your army bomb. So yun yung super big difference. All you have to do is to scan the QR code, download the application, and pair your device to the Bluetooth and to the army bomb, and you are good to go. So here I am just showing you how it looks like when it is paired on the Bluetooth application.
Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Kim Namjoon, Kim Sojin, Min Yoongi, Jang Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Tae. Ay, shh. Why? One more.
Because this puppy's poopy. And mommy's and working.
Okay, one more. Quiet version kasi her mommy is working. Kim Namjoon, Kim Sojin, Min Yoongi, Jang Hoseok, Park Jimin, Kim Taeyong, John Jungkook, BTS. Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. Are you happy?
Bye.
I'm so happy. Turn off mo na.